Hey, guess what, man? I got two friends here from California. Your name?
Don? Gail?
Gail. Don and Gail. Who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan!
Okay, big sugar! Hey, guess what, man? The sweetest girl in Kona shopping here. Hey, but who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka, the man in pan. Hey, guess what, man? I'm with the famous artist, our famous designer. Look at his rain shirt. Man, you guys all should buy him because the rain shirt is amazing. Made by Eddie White. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka, the man in the pan. It's a busy day here at KTA. Welcome to the man in the pan. Today I'm going to cook something really exciting for you. I'm going to make sesame seed chicken. Okay, first thing I do is make the sauce. I got first you put about 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. Okay, just like this. Okay, I put about 2 tablespoons of mirin. Okay, 2 tablespoons of mirin. Put about 1/4 cup of shoyu. About 1/4 cup of sake. Then I put about a half teaspoon of salt. And I mix them all up. So here's the sauce now, you see it right here? Then you get a pound of boneless chicken thighs, okay? And you cut them in about 1-inch slices, just like this. Okay, you got them all cut up and you marinate it in here and leave it in here for about 15 minutes. Okay, so I got the chicken marinated for 15 minutes. I got my sesame seeds over here. I'm not gonna use flour. I'm gonna coat the chicken with sesame seeds. Before you put it into the sesame seed, you gotta squeeze all of the liquid out, okay? Take it out, put it in the sesame seed. Toss it all around. Just like this. I think the fire is ready to go. Oh, hot oil. Fry them up. Okay, it's almost done. There you go. Sesame chicken. You see that? Gonna look good. Let's see how it tastes. Mmm. 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 This is so awesome. Mmm. Mmm. Until next week, we'll see you on another Man in the Pan. Aloha.